I have only 2 hours. My flight is at 10 p.m. I am not ready. If I miss this plane, I lose everything. This is the most stressful day of my life. I run around my room. I need my passport. Where is it? Under the bed? No. In the drawer? No.
Ah.
Here it is. Now the suitcase. I pack blue jeans, 3 white t-shirts, and a warm jacket. Why a jacket? Because New York City is freezing in winter. The bag is heavy. I push. I pull. Finally, it is closed. I grab it and run. The airport is huge and crowded. I feel nervous. I find the desk. The woman says, "Passport and ticket, please." My hands shake. I give her my passport. She looks at the screen, then at me. Silence. Then she smiles. Everything is perfect. Enjoy New York City. I run to the gate. I am the last person. I made it. I am finally in New York. I walk off the plane. I am excited. I want to call my hotel and look at the map. I take out my phone. I press the button. Nothing. The screen is black. My phone is dead. 0% battery. I don't have the address. I don't have a map. I am alone in a huge city. I am lost. I walk outside. The buildings are giants. The lights are bright. I see a yellow taxi. I wave my hand. I say, "Sir, I am lost. My phone is dead. Can you help me?" The driver smiles. He says, "Don't worry, friend. Welcome to New York." New York is crazy, but today I learned something: you are never really alone. Do you always charge your phone? Tell me in the comments.